So here we are cooking up our Thermopot meal that we're going to let slow cook today, and we will eat it tomorrow night at Bramwell Station. All we'll have to do when we get there is heat it up. So we just put the onion in, and now we're just browning the meat. We put the, this is the thermal cookware bag, and we put the boiling water in that. So we've just put the, added the tin of tomatoes into it, and we've got all these chopped up veg, carrot and celery and potato. And we've got our helpers, Sue and Doug, who's directing the video.
Oh yeah.
So now we've added the vegetables to the pot. We're going to add a few more bits and pieces, and then I'll show you before we put the lid on what we're going to do. So here we go. We've just added a bay leaf and mixed herbs and garlic, and I'm about to mix it all in together. It's bubbling away nicely, and then I'm going to add it to the Thermopot, which I'll show you in just a moment. So in here we have a pot of boiling water. That's all it is, a pot of boiling water, and that's to help cook and steam. And we've got the lid on here, nicely boiling away. We let that do for another couple of minutes, and then we put that on top of that. Then we put that lid down and we pull the lid up, and then we close it, and then we put it on the floor, and we leave it for the whole day. And then it would be ready to eat, but we're going to cool it and put it in the fridge, and we'll have it tomorrow night at Bramwell Station. Let's have a look. That is perfect. We're going to turn the heat off. Turn the gas off. Don't ever forget to turn the gas off when you're not using it, okay? So open that. Open that. Now we need a tea towel, because one thing you do need to know is this here, very hot, very hot. So up here, look at that. My assistant's pointed out where it is. Thank you, Sue. See, nice little action there. That helps bring it across. Little flick there, round here. Very gently, we bring it over here. We sit it on top. There we go. See, it's now sitting on top. Put that down that way, so the lid's down. And then we put that down. Alright, so that lid's down, see? It was up, and now it's down. Okay? Okay? And then from behind you bring that up. Now, can you see that? Let me just make sure. See? That lid was down. That arm, I mean. Bring that up. And you can't see, you can't now lift that up. So you can lift it. So you bring it that way, and then you bring that across, and then around here at the back you have a zip. See? Zipping it all the way around. We'll move those over there. We'll take the strap. We're very gently.
Oh, really? Why can't we shorts?
And we go under the table, and there it sits, and there it cooks like a slow cooker all day long. And then we turn. So here we are. We've opened the 2 containers that we decanted our stew, and just going to reheat it. So as you can see, looks absolutely beautiful. We've already tested the veg, and they're cooked through, and now we're just going to heat it, and as we eat it we'll show you how good it is. So stay tuned. Cut to the director sitting there with a beer. We're now eating said meal from the Thermopot. Ray, could you just pass me the light, please? Thank you. So there we go. There's that meal, and there is my trusty assistant Sue and my director Doug eating their meal, and my lovely husband Raymond eating his meal. So, what's the general consensus, ladies and gentlemen? Is it okay?
Bloody good, except for the bay leaf.
Well, throw it out, throw it out. How is it, Raymond?
Lovely.
Good, good. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We've travelled all day today, and all we had to do was heat it up, and now we have a lovely meal. This is Smith's Travel Oz, signing out. Until next time.